showing you what I have put in my slimes. I did a video on showing you my slimes. I'm going to be showing you what I put in them.
What?
I got the slimes yesterday. First one is this dark blue. It's got a load of glitter and some blue fishbowl beads. The fishbowl beads fall out sometimes, but it doesn't matter. Next one is this peachy kind of colour. All it's got in is the noises my dog eating. The other thing it's got in is fruit slices. Next one has got fruit slices and it's a cherry red. It has also got some rainbow fishbowl beads. Next one is this gold one. It's a bit green, but that doesn't matter. This one has got a load of glitter in, but not as much as that dark blue one. It's got some gold stars, and that's it. It's very stretchy. All of them are very good at squares too. Next slime is a light pink with all it's got in it is some rainbow fishbowl beads. One of these slimes I give to my friend just for a night, so just for a day. So it's a purple one with pastel foam beads in. So yeah. This one is one of the clear ones. Well, they're all clear, just without any food colouring. All it's got in is some silver stars. This is the clearest one.